Ever been watching a video, and suddenly, the sound doesn't match the lips? Annoying, right? Whether it's YouTube, PC videos, or editing software like Premiere Pro, audio delay ruins the experience. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix sound delay or out-of-sync audio in just a few minutes, step by step. Let's fix it. Step 1. Why does sound go out of sync? Before fixing it, let's understand why it happens. Sound delays are usually caused by slow playback devices or lagging processors, incorrect frame rates during editing, Bluetooth or wireless headphone latency, corrupted or variable bitrate (VBR) files. So, knowing the cause helps you pick the right fix. Step 2. Adjust sync in video player. If you're using VLC media player, just press J or K keys. Each tap adjusts the audio delay by 50 milliseconds. Play the video and sync until it matches perfectly. This is the fastest fix for local video playback. Step 3. Convert video file properly. If the problem keeps repeating, your video file might have mismatched encoding. Open your file in Handbrake, select Constant Frame Rate, and re-export. This locks video and audio together. Step 4. In video editing software, unlink audio and video. Manually drag the audio waveform to match lips. Then relink them. Pro tip: always use the same frame rate when recording and editing, usually 30 frames per second or 60 frames per second. If you're recording, don't use cheap Bluetooth mics. They often add 100 to 300 milliseconds of delay. Instead, use a wired or low latency mic. And always preview before final export. And that's it. You now know how to fix sound delay or out-of-sync audio like a pro. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and comment below which method worked for you. Keep your videos smooth and your sound perfectly synced. See you in the next one.